Hi there, welcome to the Che Si Mangia Cucina. It's Friday night here in lovely, cool Toronto. I'm sitting here just in awe of the fact that tonight I attempted to make a strawberry coffee cake. I had these strawberries in the fridge and I wanted to do something different. Done with the banana bread. I know I've gotten more than my fill of scones. Muffins, yeah, that's good too. But you know what? Strawberry coffee cake. I said, why not? So I embarked on it after working all day, as most of you do, making dinner, and then I said, you know what? I need to do something. I I just didn't feel like just lying down on the couch and watching TV. My sister will tell you that that's a problem of mine because my idea of vegging or relaxing is baking. I don't know about you, but I sometimes find it very therapeutic. Anyhow, so I get all my ingredients, or so I thought, and I embarked on making this wonderful coffee cake. I thought, you know what? It's light. It's aromatic. It's still signs of spring/summer, although we are into the fall, and pretty soon we're going to start doing apple and pumpkin pies. So here I did. Here I went, and did that. And the 50 minutes that was in the oven had come and gone, and I realized that my cake didn't rise. So I'm going to show it to you, and you can actually even see what the inside looks like. Kind of looks like some sort of a pudding kind of strawberry pie. So what do you think I forgot? I mean, it's pretty easy to see, right? And you'll see that obviously I wasn't going to let this recipe beat me. I was going to attempt it again. And look at the difference, the before and the after, the way it failed and the way it succeeded. So I wanted to share that with you because even as an experienced baker, sometimes things will go wrong, right? If this was a lemon pie, I'd say if the life gives you lemons, make a lemon meringue. But no, this is strawberry. Anyhow, what I forgot in here, and I think you guys can guess, is the baking powder. I went and got my ingredients, and because the baking powder container is the same color as the cornstarch container, I grabbed cornstarch instead of baking powder. So it's unfortunate because it's a waste of ingredients, it's a waste of lovely fruit. I mean, it's edible. You can eat it. As you can see, my husband had a piece as well as my son and said, you know, Mom, it's not so bad. I said, yeah, I don't know. I'll pass, although I did have a small piece. But just to show you that things will go wrong at times. But I did learn one thing, that when you're tired and after a long day, maybe a new recipe isn't something that you should actually embark upon. Although, who forgets baking powder in a cake? But stuff happens. Anyhow, I'm going to put that over here, and I'm going to show you this one. As you can see, this lovely one actually turned out the way it's supposed to turn out. It's still hot. That's why I haven't sprinkled the icing sugar. And once it cools down, I'm going to sprinkle the icing sugar. And I've also made a lovely strawberry syrup to go on top of it. I'm going to show it to you because it looks so yummy. So come with me. I'm just going to go into the fridge. I don't know if you can see me. You have to excuse my back. Here it is. Yummy. So when we are ready, we're going to put the icing sugar. We're going to cut a piece. I'm gonna drizzle it. I would do it for you today for this particular demonstration, but it's just going to melt all over and it's not going to be the same. But I promise you, when I actually do it, I'm going to snap a photo of it and I'm going to put it on my Instagram. So guys, have a happy Friday. I just wanted to share this particular story with you today, and have a good weekend. Take care. Cha-cha.